Hello guys, it's How to Tax Simplified, and here today I'm checking out this new challenge of Monopoly Go. Now today I'm going to show you how it works and how to get the most out of it, so the best strategy. Now as you can see, if you are a veteran, you can see that we already have this event in the past. Now this is an event where you have a wheel you can spin. Now the wheel takes flowers, and as you can see I have 220 flowers, and one I put it at a 3 multiplier, the prices go times 3. Now I usually play this for the 40 or the 60, so a times 2 or times 3, and as you hit it you can see that it gives you points. Now these points gives you shovels, and these shovels go towards your meter. Now it's very important to first go for all the dice, because that is very easy to get. It only takes 2500 shovels, and if you complete them all the 4 you get like 800 dice, and if you play the dice you get to have these flowers. Now it's very important to gain these flowers, like right here, it's on random landmarks. And how to get the flowers is by going to the daily wins, right here, the quick wins. And as you actually open them, you can see I gain 60 flowers. Now, if I do the other one, it gives me 80, if I remember correctly. Exactly, it gives me 80 flowers, and this also contributes to the prizes. Now, in the top, you can see Road to Riches, you also get flowers for the bonuses. So it's very important you just grind out the game, and right here get all the 4 games to the 200 dice, so you can start to earn more flowers, and that is very important. And here you can see that I can accept Fabiola, and here let's get the 200 dice actually. And it's very important also, if you have friends playing Monopoly Go, you can actually invite them and you can start to contribute to each other, because that's way quicker if you have a teammate that is helping you. Now, if you still get questions regarding this event, or you got yourself some tips and tricks, leave them in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.